Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your phone device name in your Poco phone. Guys, you want to change guys your phone device name in your Poco phone. So guys, you can change means guys you want to rename your phone device name. So guys, you can rename. So guys, now let's see how to rename. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your phone device name. So guys, you can see that this type of setting. So guys, you can see your about phone settings. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on your device name setting and guys tap here and guys cut this. So friends, we will cut this name and we will change into only phone Poco. So example for guys, I will take this phone Poco and guys right option guys, first of all tap here to change, otherwise it will not change. So guys, you can see your device name and change into phone Poco. So like that guys, you can change your phone device name in your Poco phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet a nice video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.